Alright, I'm going to do a quick video demonstration for this module of our Form 990 dataset. This is the All Employee module, which shows not only physicians, but also administrators and board members and things like that. So I'll run through each field real quick and then we'll do some slicing and dicing. So here we have file name. I blacked out the individual employee names for this demo, but you will get those if you subscribe to the dataset. We have title text, average hours worked per week, base compensation, bonus, other compensation, deferred comp, non-taxable benefits, total comp, and comp reported during the prior period. We have the fiscal period, fiscal tax period, and this workbook we're looking at is just the 2017 data, meaning the data that was submitted to the IRS during 2017. We have the employers' names, addresses, cities, states. We have NTEE codes, which is an IRS classification system for not-for-profit organizations, and then we have some basic financial information for the employer: program service revenue, total expenses, and revenue less expenses. So let's go back real quick and I'll just put my cursor over the file name, and you can see we have about 184,000 reported employee compensation arrangements in here. There are some duplicates because they report related party compensations. So for example, if a CEO at one hospital sits on the board of directors of a sister hospital, that CEO will show up twice as the employee of the original hospital and as a related party employee to the sister hospital. So there's a little bit of that going on. So for slicing and dicing, let's filter down on NTEE codes that have a prefix of E2, and E2 is the prefix for hospitals and health systems. And you'll see just in this 2017 submission year period, we have over 30,000 hospital and health system employment arrangements in here just for that one period, and we get new ones pretty much every month, sometimes every other month. But I want to quickly drop this into a pivot table and show you the kinds of titles we have. So here we are in a pivot table. I'm going to drop file name under count and then title text under the rows, and then we'll just sort by the most common ones. So you can see here, just for this one period, the most common title that shows up is president, followed by physician, director, executive director, CEO, CFO, and it just goes on and on and on. Chief medical officer, dentist, all your physician specialties are in here. Medical doctor, staff physician. If you really want to dig into physicians, I recommend you look at our physician module, which actually matches up specialties and joins the NPI data set in with this. But if you're looking at executive compensation or non-physician compensation, this would be the module you want to dig into to look for that.